load our PCs, we have created EPS. Now we want to create a project. The step is very simple as well. Click on Enterprise, click on Project. It loads another environment for you, but in this environment, you look at this plus bar. This is the project environment. You can see the different activity environment before. Now is project environment, and this is all the project um, in my system, my current PCs now. So if you look at all these things, they look like a folder, right? Each of them is a project, okay, and the project name. You see project ID, project name. So I click on plus bar. So the plus bar will display this dialog box requesting that I should select EPS. So I click on this particular sign here. You can see this sign here. I click and this dialog box will come out, and I will scroll down to the new EPS that I created. Currently, I want to do engineering procurement project. I select engineering procurement and I click OK. Then I will click next. It will request for the project ID. So how do we get project ID? So we just take the project name and convert it to project ID. This is project name. I copy it. Then I take abbreviation of it. It forms my project ID. So I paste the project name here. Let me remove this number, and automatically I come here and I write decommissioning as D, installation as I, and pipe as P, and we have add-on valve as AV. So this is my project ID, and I say next. Project start date, which date is it going to start? You can get this from the contract document, or you ask your um, project manager. So let's assume this is starting by April. This is March currently, 20th, 21st. I just click on the next bar to get the next month, and I select April 1st and I click on select. Automatically you see it April 1st, 2025. Please don't put finish date. Very simple. I click on next, I click on next, right? I click on next, and finally I click on finish. This is how to create projects. If I scroll down in my project list, if I use this bar now and I go down, you will see the project I just created here. This is the new project that I've created so far, and it's under EPS, and they are under March project.